Yan guys, yan. Mukhang moto na. Yan. Kaya may tsura ng isa. Tago, nakita nyo. Mukhang moto. Mukhang moto niya, no? Ayan. Si guys, oh. Yan, Pakistani. Mukhang moto niya. Yan, pagmumukha niya. Gutom na yan. Kita mo? Sabi niya, Big, you need biryani? No need. And then he said, I need mutton pulao. Nagbigyan ko na kasi gutom na gutom. Wala lang puwet. Buhay talaga ng Pakistan ako. Ito kami guys sa traditional kitchen. Kasi guys, tungtuwa na siya. Kakain na yan. Siya, gutom na yan. How are you? Too much, Habibi.
The big mutton inside.
Everything
inside. Enjoy. Today you will enjoy that one, okay?
No, we're eat all together. You're very hungry, no?
No problem. After 2 o'clock. We are working today. After we going. Fuck you.
Yala, Moton. Buhay OFW.
Yes.
Tell them, Philippine.
That party, my Filipino guy, he give me the party. The mutton pulao, chicken pulao, all inside half. Very nice.
But then?
After this, another people, seafood people there, they'll come here. But not come.
But then?
I know, see, fish. Why?
I have fish or see what happened to my rice.
Too much rice, this one. Why after you buy 25?
I thought by per person.
Yeah, this way, no?
No, it's not. Ano to? Kingfish.
Bye. What gawin mo na? Parang yan. No damage, that's why you don't know bamboo.
Nakikita na doon ah. Okay. Lights on. Lights on. Turn on. Turn on lights.
The moment of truth after a couple of days that we customize the new system. We'll see. Ano kay? Ito na yung moment of truth. Gagana ba yan?
Yes. Moment of truth.
Aywa. Yan. Shout out naman, Mark. Yan, what's up? LSFM. What's up? Yan, nagkarga na tayo guys ng tubig. Try natin.
Parang may mali ako. Dapat gumano pa yung yung supply dito. Tubig? Oo. Di ba naman may supply tubig yun? Di ba nakamanual ito? May overflow kasi siya eh. Pero kahit may overflow siya, wala naman nag-drain, di ba? Nakusa. Kasi tumataas yung tubig mo. Tumataas na? Oo. Dito. May tatas. Ha? Tatas? Saan? Sa heater. Sa heater? Yes. Yes, FM! Finally successful! Ayan! Ayan guys! The moment of truth! Success! Haha! Well, papalit-palit pa ng ilaw yan guys! Patay mga motor. Let me check the RGB lights is working or not. This one is automatic changing the yes. Now this red. After red, it's green. Green or blue? Yes, green. That is RGB lights working. Then blue. Then back to red color. Purple. That is RGB lights working. Then red. It's nice. Alright, success! Congrats guys!